Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pappu Career Guide, a complete guide for all your career needs. So friend, here is a big update coming from Hexaware. As you know that some days ago I created video regarding Hexaware hiring for the batch of 2022 and 2021 for the role of graduate engineer trainee. So right now they start sending for the assessment link. Okay, so in this video I am going to discuss all the things about you should know before writing the exam, of what the exam pattern, syllabus, requirement process, section wise question, do not do's during exam, platform where the exam will be conducted, or for the Hexaware, and all things you are able to know after watching the full video. Okay, so it's a request to all of you guys, please watch video till the end because I will be discussing the more important topics regarding the Hexaware. So let's start with this video. Okay, so here is a mail, friend. This mail I received just 1 hour ago. Hexaware assessment link. Dear Pappu Kumar, thank you for applying to Hexaware campus requirement process. As a next step, you are requested to appear for the online assessment, and please read the instruction mentioned in below mail carefully, friend. First of all, like I'm 2021 password batch, that's why I received this mail and I applied. Okay, your assessment is scheduled on 2021 November 25th subah ke in morning 10 a.m. Okay, so let's start with a discuss about the exam pattern and syllabus. Friend, here you can see the exam pattern. Okay, so these things I get to know the mail which I received. Okay, so if you're receiving this assessment mail, then you will be also getting this line in the below of the mail. Okay, so there is a test pattern, the two test, test 1 and test 2. For test 1, aptitude test, 3 section, English, analytical, reasoning, quantitative aptitude. Okay, total is 45 minutes, 45 questions, no negative marking are there. Okay friend, so test 2 is a domain test, 2 sections, pseudocode and computer fundamental are there, 30 minutes, 30 questions. Okay, so there will be no coding, no negative marking also. So this is a big good news for all of you guys. If you are attempting all the questions, it may be happen like you will be correcting somehow 10 to 20% questions like correct. Okay, because there is no negative marking, so please don't leave any question blank. Okay, so here you can see when total number of questions is I'm just calculating. Okay, 45 plus I think 30, so there will be total of 75 questions, and you have to solve in the total 75 questions in the 25 and 30. It means 75. It's mean 1 hour and 1 hour 15 minutes you have to solve all the questions. Okay, so there is a big like updated pattern you can also say. Okay, and in the end of this video I will discuss how you can prepare for this all section. I will be sharing the most demanded and the like you can say most trusted site to prepare for the Hexaware examination to qualify 110% sure. Okay, so here is you can see test pattern, and let's move to the next. Here you can see, friend, as a first step it is ensure that your laptop and computer as computer system is meeting all the mentioned requirement. From this is a very important things you must know. Okay friend, because if your not laptop is meeting eligibility like eligibility, then how you can write the exam, because this is a very much important thing you should know, friend. Okay, supported devices are laptop, desktop, laptop. Please note that Apple devices are not supported. Operating system Windows 7 and above. Browser latest Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge. Strongly recommended Google Chrome. Okay, delete cache from the browser, flash player. Okay, just delete the flash player. Also you will finding in the Chrome, I think go to setting and you will be finding all your things flash player. Okay, if you're not if you're not able to find this, there's just comment down, I will discuss in another video. Okay, JavaScript must be enabled. Disable antivirus. Please be sure that you should disable the antivirus before writing the exam. Minimum internet bandwidth is required for, but you can also use your mobile phone Wi-Fi, but before that please try to call all your friends, or keep the status said writing that please don't call me this to this time, because if someone calling you on your phone, if you're using your phone hotspot, then it will be create a problem. Okay, it may be happen that like your interview connection will be lost. That's why I'm telling this line. Okay, webcam and microphone is mandatory. Check your system configuration using the link. There will be finding a link. This the link, just click, the system is good to go and message should be appear. Okay, this will appear by default, don't worry about that if your system is meeting all this eligibility criteria. Okay, so let's move to the second one. Here is a, you can see this is a 2022 batch. Okay, because there is a two batch hiring, 2021 and 2022. That's why here you can see, friend, the first hiring process for the batch of 2022 is a pre-placement talk first round, then there is a online test. Okay, whenever they start sending for this mail, I will discuss for the same, so don't worry about this. Okay, online test, then online test and technical interview and HR. So when technical round, it's mean it's a test 1, okay, and this is a test 2. Okay, and both you have to qualify, friend. Okay, you can see this I already discussed now. There is a two tests, test 1 and test 2. That's why. Okay, that's why they written over there online test 1 and online test 2. Okay, after the technical round and HR interview. So both things I will discuss after you qualify the round 1, because first of all try to focus on your online test. Not currently don't focus about your interview. I will discuss the interview preparation for the same, so don't worry about that. First of all create your online test. Okay, because I want that everyone should qualify the Hexaware, because I help a lots of candidates regarding Cognizant. So almost 1200 candidates got placed in Cognizant. That's why I'm telling this line, friend. First of all focus on your online test. After that you can focus on your preparation. Don't worry, I will create the same videos for the preparation also, so that you can easily qualify, and you will be getting a package of 4 LPA. That's what I'm telling, friend, because this is a very high package as a freshers you will be getting. Okay, after you can say Accenture, Cognizant and Hexaware. Okay, so let's start. This is the 2021, friend. For the 2021, here you can see application screening. Okay, and the online aptitude test, communication test, technical interview and HR interview. And here you can see, friend, there will be a online aptitude test. This will contain all your test 1 and test 2, friend. Okay, test 1 and test 2. Okay, and this is a communication test. So this is a elimination round. This thing, I think this is not an elimination round, but you should qualify this also for securing good marks performance, because in the HR round there will be overall performance you are getting after qualify the HR round, because it will depend all your previous rounds performance also. Okay, so just keep prepared for all these things. Okay, and this so next, moving to this, friend, here you can see this type of mail we receive. The login window is only 8 hours. You cannot log in before your given login time, and you cannot log in at 8 hours after your given time. It's mean I have like my exam is 10 a.m. so I will be available. I will be my link is active until 6 p.m. Okay, so before 6 p.m. I am able to log in 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. I think I'm writing the same date after that. Yes, here's the test link. This test link is same for all. Okay, maybe if you are 2022, then it will be mentioned 2022. Okay, super ID and password and passkey. Please don't share this mail screenshot in Telegram group. I am again repeating, friend, because I am finding lots of candidates are sharing their personal information in my Telegram group. I am again telling you, friend, please don't share your personal information in Telegram group and such information which can harm for you, friend. Please don't share. Okay, because there are lots of candidates are there in Telegram, they can misuse your information. So that's why I'm telling this line. Okay, because if you are sharing your super ID, it may be happen that someone candidates are there who can misuse your information. That's what I'm telling. फिर आप लोग बोलोगे सर मैं एग्जाम नहीं दे पाया. That's why. So let's start. Here you can see, friend, this is a 2022. Okay, and you can see BE Tech MCR eligible, ME Tech not eligible, Mechanical Civil also not eligible. 60% criteria is there if you are qualified. If you are अगर आप satisfied, if you are satisfying 60% or 6 CGP, then you are eligible throughout 10th year. Then UGPG, no active backlogs are there for current. You don't have any backlog. Please don't. If you have still have any active backlog, just clear right now backlog, because there is no active backlog as there. Okay, this will be starting from after your during your HR interview. Okay, before HR interview, just complete this active backlog. If you still any have, if you don't have, then don't worry. Academic gaps should less than 1 year is allowed between the courses and during the courses. More than 1 year is not eligible. Means 12 hours month gap, education gap is allowed also, or you can say 1 year gap is also allowed. But this is a 2021. I'm just writing over there. So again I'm prefacing 22. Oh, sorry. This is a 2022. Okay, friend. There you're gonna see 6-month training in Chennai, 1 week initial accommodation will be provided. It's mean if you are getting, so friend, it's mean if you are got selected, then you'll be getting 6-month training in Chennai and 1 week initial accommodation. The company will provide you 1 week accommodation. After 1 week, you have to manage your what you can say, your home, like your PG वगैरह. Okay. 4 LPA per annum on successful completion on training, and stipend 15,000 per month for 6 months. You will be getting a stipend of 15,000 and service agreement of 2 years, friend, 2 lakhs. If you are going to join this company, please keep this service agreement in your mind, okay, because there is a 2 years of bond for the 2 lakhs. If you're leaving the company for 2 years, then you have to pay this amount, okay. So email, you can just, this email ID, please keep a screenshot with you, all of you guys, because I know that because you have lots of like during an exam and after the exam you have still any doubts and questions, just email to this, okay. So let's start. This is the 2021 MEB BTech MCA eligible, member not eligible, and mechanical not eligible. Same thing which I discussed for the 2022 batch. Okay, 1 year gap is allowed and 60% 60 GPA. If you're satisfying any of them, then you are eligible. Okay. So here's the CTC for the 2021 batch. You can see the same package you are getting for the 20. But here is a good news, friend. There is a service agreement of 2 years. No, this is not a good news. Okay, initial accommodation for 7 days. Date of onboarding is December 2021. Friend, there is a good news for all the 2021 batch that you are getting onboarding in December 2021. Okay, it's mean you are getting placed in this year. Yes. So this is a good news. Okay, so keep this email ID on your mind and just remember this: campusconnect@hexaware.com. If you still have any doubt, just email to them. Here you can see important instruction, friend. Please go through the important instruction very carefully so that you can know easily each and every steps. The test is a webcam enabled. Okay, you have been monitored throughout. If the webcam is not rejected at the time of starting the test, the question paper will not load. Kindly allow webcam access. Okay. Webcam internet connectivity needed to throughout the test. Ensure good internet connectivity. Do not press backspace, refresh and close the window. Online test. Do not submit assessment unless you have completed all the question. Test only submitted will not be reset. Okay. In case of internet failure, the test should be continued to run. Like this is a very important thing, friend, because there is a lots of candidates are there who facing the internet connectivity loss and line भी कट जाता, तो at the time you can log in again and your timer is still counting and you can just log in the like in 75 minutes you can log in and check your status and you can give the exam, but timer is still counting, friend. Okay, so keep in mind. In case your power failure, do not panic. Restart your test using the same login information in the same browser. Will test the same. Okay, use mobile phone. I use this also, you know, please don't use mobile phone. Okay. Any candidate found copying using Marpet disqualify. Okay, once the test is completed, please confirm your message on the screen. I think I discussed. Anything is there? Submit failure. In case the time of submission you do not have internet connection, please do not panic. The unsubmitted answer will be able to on the screen in front of you. Please follow instruction. In case you have any query on the assessment day, please reach out to your placement coordinator. Okay. So, complete. Yes, friend. Right now complete. And just चलिए अब बात करते प्रिपरेशन को लेकर. So friend, I will sharing the FacePreq link and the Freshers Now and the third in this thing. I think you should follow. Yes, you can just follow. Okay, because there is a lots of PDF are there for the Freshers Now. Okay, because I personally like the 3 of the website. Okay, the same website I also preparing. Okay, Prepinsta. Okay, one of the best option you can also say. Okay, you can also keep purchase their prime membership. Okay, if you want you can, but there is a for the free there is a lots of like quant, logical, English, critical thinking, problem solving, and this is domain based. Okay, you can just check over there. Okay, and start preparing right now. Okay, you can see all the things are there. Okay, LCM are there, and the Freshers Now you can also see that PDF available, friend. Download Hexaware placement paper, technical paper. Just click here, download, and you can easily be downloaded. Okay, so this is very easy to simple to download. Okay, you can see. Okay, so this is all about the Freshers Now, and you can just download and start preparation right now. And you can see FacePrep is also providing lots of preparation are there, and you how can prepare and practice quantitative aptitude and revise. Okay, so these 3 link I will be sharing in my video description. Go and start preparing, and all the best to all of you. If you still not received any assessment link, just wait for some more days. They are sending in batches, so wait for your turn, and best of luck for all of you guys for the 25th November 2021 for your exam. सो मिलते तुम टिल देन, जय हिंद एंड जय भारत. एंड अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ एक लाइक जरूर कर देना, अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर भी कर देना.